Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we turn off adaptive brightness in our Infinix phone guys. You want to off your adaptive brightness in your Infinix phone. So how can you turn off in this video friends? I am going to show you guys. So before starting video, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon like my video. So friends now let's see how to off adaptive brightness. First of all guys open your phone setting to off your adaptive brightness setting. Then guys scroll it. Friends you can see display brightness setting. So when we will click on display brightness setting, and guys you can see your brightness setting you can use from here. Friends you can set adaptive brightness setting, tap here. Friends you want to off by right side this icon guys you will have to click. Guys your adaptive brightness will off, and guys you can use your brightness setting according to yourself guys. So like that guys you can turn off your adaptive brightness in your Infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.